Mathematics and economy. What is your first thought when those two combine? I don't know about you, but for me, it is supply and demand curve. Supply and demand curve is a great economic model. It explains why the price top and rise, guiding us how many we should produce and many more. But it has limitations. When it comes to several industries that are interconnected to each other, the curve is just not a good tool. Thus, a new economic model is needed, which is our main protagonist today, Leontief input-output model. Economy, as well as other fields of study, is complicated. Apparently, one industry is not independent of others. In fact, they are closely linked together. You can think of it like this. Percy Sandra perhaps produced 10 tons of iron, and Gentila perhaps bought that iron to make a tractor. Then Paddy perhaps bought the tractor to produce rice. Then Percy Sandra perhaps bought the rice to feed the workers, and so you get the idea. In real life, there will be hundreds of industries that are connected, making it even complicated. So at 20th century, Leontief developed a new economic model to solve this problem, which is known as the Leontief input-output model today. How it works. First, we need to understand the model, which is expressed by the equation I minus C times X equal to D, where I is the identity matrix, C is consumption matrix in which the values are obtained by market surveying, X is production matrix, and D is demand matrix. To put it simply, the equation essentially is just to convert the production matrix to demand matrix by using the transformation matrix I minus C. Here is an example. The figure shows how the three sectors, agriculture, utilities, and manufacturing, interact with each other. This relationship can be obtained by market surveying. Next, tabulate the data. Note that we are using dollar as the unit to simplify the calculations. From the table, we can obtain consumption matrix. Assume that we have done market surveying and know the demand of each sector. Now, we need to calculate the production matrix to avoid overproduction and underproduction. Now apply the equation mentioned before, I minus C times X equal to D. Substitute the value, apply Gaussian elimination, and now we know how many we should produce. Real-life application. From international organizations like United Nations and World Bank to local governments, they all had used the model for different purposes. World Bank used it to calculate important measures like gross domestic product, while local government used it to analyze their project's impact on the economy like job opportunity and cash flow. And that is it. At the end, I would like to express my gratitude to Jabatan Pertandingan Kejuruteraan and Fakulti Kejuruteraan dan Alam Bina in UKM for providing me this opportunity. Thank you.